Hello guys, so today is going to be a tutorial on how I curl my hair. Now this is chopped and changed from time to time. I've found new products, loved new products, and even loved some old ones as well. So today I'm going to be showing you how I use the HILL Pick N Mix wand with the small barrel. The barrel I used beforehand was this barrel, so you can see the difference in size. There's not that much difference, but I just prefer the tighter curl. The thing that I really love about this wand in particular is the fact it can rotate onto a corner. I find this helps so much more when I'm trying to reach the back of my hair. Unlike your normal standard wand that doesn't have this option, it just makes curling your hair on your own so much easier. With that being said, let's get on with the tutorial. Brushed my hair, I've got freshly washed hair as well. And with my scrunchie, I'm literally just going to split my hair into two. And then with the rest of my hair, we're just going to curl it. With the wand, just like this, you have to be careful with your hands as well. When I first used this, the amount of times I burnt my hand was ridiculous. So you literally just wrap the hair around like this, and then I'll leave like an inch and a half off the end, just so it gives that really nice beachy wave. So I mean, you really don't need to put your hair on it that long. And then I leave it in its little ringlet because we're going to do something really fun at the end, which I'm surprised I didn't think of sooner. So yeah. Oh yeah, so just leaving an inch off like so, leaving the ringlet like that, and then repeating the process. I am just going to quickly do a time lapse of me doing the rest of my hair because you really don't want to watch that. So yeah, I'll do a time lapse now. Right, so as you can see, I've purposely left out my side fringe, and this is because I'm literally just gonna take my hair, wrap it round the end and just move it up and down, just because I don't want to have a full curl. It will, you can't really see because I've got dark hair, but it will literally just flick the edges out, and then again on the other side, just like moving it up and down like so. Now I look really crazy now, but normally at this stage I would put my fingers through my hair and be good to go. That's good if you want to have loads of different little ringlets, but if you want to have, oh my god, I actually look crazy. So if you want to have more of that beachy wave, which is what I am after, I just grab a paddle brush and just brush through. So it's giving me more of a wave instead of a curl, which is what I'm really enjoying at the moment. It's super quick, it's super easy. The fact that this rotates honestly has made my life so much easier. So that's kind of how I get my basic wave. This is something that I have really been enjoying at the minute, and yeah, it's all thanks to this guy, because honestly I don't think I would have been able to do half of the things that I can do if it wasn't twisted like this. I certainly would need help doing the back of my hair. This concludes today's video. It was a really quick and easy way on how I curl my hair. I certainly feel like using the brush has helped me get that like beachier wave so much more now. As always, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.